Say hello to Rod and Mary. Married almost 30 years, they're on the verge of retirement, and yet they couldn't be more unhappy. They fear the future. Will they have enough money? It's a natural concern. As humans, our innate survival mechanism motivates us to always be on guard against threats that will bring us pain, and losing money is painful. This fear motivates Rod and Mary to find ways to forecast the future, or, at the very least, find someone who can do it for them, and that's not very hard to do. Our 24/7 financial media has a plethora of people willing to give you next week's news today. In order to determine which modern-day Nostradamus to believe, Rod and Mary will study the track records and past performance of these so-called experts. In this day of information, this task can be quite consuming, requiring Rod and Mary to analyze massive amounts of data. In time, they find themselves overwhelmed, and rather than make a decision based on logic, they resort to emotion. They rely on a gut feel. And it is emotion, not logic, that tells us to sell after the market has dropped, or not to invest, or to buy the same stocks as our brother-in-law, or to buy gold bars or Iraqi currency. Emotion-based decisions lead Rod and Mary to break the most basic rules of investing, such as owning a globally diversified portfolio and rebalancing regularly. And once they break the rules, it's just a matter of time before Rod and Mary suffer the very performance losses they fear so much. They will then be short of money and without any real peace of mind in regards to financial matters. This is the very real investor's dilemma, one that confronts people every single day. Sound familiar to you? No financial plan will get Rod and Mary out of this dilemma. The only thing that will move them beyond the pain and misery of being trapped in the investor's dilemma is a coaching process that will do three things. Help them to discover their true purpose for money. Guide them to develop and follow a well-designed investment philosophy. Monitor their investment behavior to assure that their actions are consistent with their true purpose and philosophy. The greatest playbook in the world is useless without an effective coach to implement it. To learn more about how financial coaching is the missing link to financial peace of mind, contact David H. Morgan of the Reap Families, 386-793-8981 or 352-433-6565, and request a complimentary invitation to our next group or online investor coaching session, or visit retirementestateplan.com. Some people have a scarcity mentality when it comes to their financial future. The lucky few have one of abundance. Which one are you?